Guys, welcome to Excel Avon. Today I will show you how can you use SUMIFs formula in Excel. SUMIF formula is used for getting total for multiple criteria. So in first example, I will use first database with person, with state and total sales. So I will calculate with two criteria, person and state. I will apply formula in H3. I will write here equal SUMIFs, and first I will have to select some range. Some range is range where to get total. So I will select the total sales range, then need to select criteria range 1. The criteria range 1 is the range where you will apply the first criteria. The first criteria is person. So I will select the whole person range. I will select the whole person range and press comma and select the criteria here as person F3 cell and select the criteria range 2. I will select the whole range of state and I will select the criteria 2 as state cell as G3 and bracket close and press. Now by this way this is calculating the person per state the total cell. This total cell is based on Kamal Kumar, based on state CA California. Let's go to second example of SUMIF. So I have made the database with date and cell person and total cells. I want to calculate the total cells of person between two dates. So I will use SUMIFs formula with three criteria. I will write here SUMIFs and I will select the sum range. I will select the sum range. This is the sum range and I will select criteria range 1. The criteria range 1 date. I have selected date and need to select the criteria 1. The criteria 1 for criteria when I will select the starting date. So from I need to calculate between two dates. So dates will be greater or equal to from date and less or equal to to date. So I will write here greater or equal and select the from date and I will select the criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 is also date. I will select date and select I will make a criteria 2 less or equal to date, the end date. I have selected the end date and I will select the third criteria range as person. Here I will select the whole person range and select the criteria cell of person. Here I select the person cell H3 and bracket close and press. So by this way I have used the three criteria in this formula and I have used the numeric date with equal or greater and less or equal. Thanks for watching this video.